Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure basics are ready. Open the case so the Airpods can communicate and confirm they have some charge. Next, enable Bluetooth and location services on your iPhone because Find My uses both to locate devices. Make sure you are signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID as the Airpods, otherwise they won't appear. Once done, open the Find My app and tap Devices. You should see your AirPods listed and a rough map pin if they're online. You now refine the location. Tap the AirPods entry to view the map and status. If the map shows a nearby dot, choose Play Sound. The AirPods will emit tones so you can home in by sound. If the map shows a distant location, tap Directions to navigate there. Also inspect individual battery levels for left, right, and case, and note the last seen time to judge freshness of the data. Make sure to physically search high and low if sound is faint. To finish, enable Lost Mode if your AirPods are offline. That registers contact info and alerts you if they reconnect. If they never appear, try resetting the AirPods. Place them in the case, hold the Setup button until the status light flashes amber then white, and repair. If problems persist, sign into another iCloud device to confirm visibility or contact Apple support for hardware help. Troubleshooting tip: if Find My shows an old location,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.